Hey guys, you are looking at the 2015 Hyundai Equus. The Equus is available in two different trims level, the Signature and Ultimate. This is of course the 2015 Hyundai Equus Ultimate Pack. The Equus is also called the Hyundai Centennial in some countries. It is currently in its second generation. The Hyundai Equus is an upscale full-size luxury sedan that serves as the flagship model of Hyundai Motor Company worldwide. It is the largest and the most expensive sedan in the Hyundai's lineup. So the question for today is, will it hold up against its competitor in the same segment? Leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts about it. Now for 2015, the Equus is unchanged comparing to the Genesis, which was recently refreshed and is more of a driver's car. The Equus is more spacious, especially the rear seat sections, which offer countless of high-end luxurious features. The Equus is also more on the luxury side that provides crisp handling response as well as a comfortable exceptional ride. And air suspension on all Equus models now include normal and sport mode, which now have a noticeable amount of separation. It is very smooth and comfortable in comfort mode, while sport mode offers a little more torque and more sensitivity to the car's ride and handling performance. Up front, you see a pair of automatic HID headlamps with LED turn signal light. Now the Equus does not come with LED daytime running light, but for this much money, I hope they will add the LED daytime running light like all of its competitors offer for future models. Fog lights does come in LED to help maintain a clear view of the road ahead. And in my opinion, the chrome accent strip does highlight the fog lights really well. And here is a closer look at the grille with chrome inserts. And the front camera is located in the middle of the grille. Parking sensors are also integrated into the front bumper. Intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. Very classy front end. Now the Equus has been engineered from the ground up with 19-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels that stagger in width with 245/45 for the front and 275/40 for the rear. Behind the wheel is the set of internally ventilated brake discs and the large brake caliper for better braking performance, all of which not only give the Equus a formidable look, but ensure its superior handling. Body color side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal indicator. Surround camera are also built into the side view mirror. On top is the sunroof that can be tilted up for ventilation or slide open for an open air feeling. The Equus also features vehicle stability management system, electronic stability control with traction control, anti-lock braking system with brake force distribution, brake assist, as well as tire pressure monitoring system for each individual wheel. To the back, you quickly notice the full LED tail light with LED brake light as well as LED turn signal light. LED tail lights illuminate quicker and make those behind you aware of your positions and progress. At the bottom, you find the dual chrome tip exhaust that integrated into the rear bumper, as well as parking sensor. And here's the rear view camera. It will activate once the vehicle is in reverse to help with a much easier backup. And there's the third LED brake light. Alright, on the remote I have the lock, unlock, trunk release and panic buttons. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. As you can see, side view mirror will automatically unfold when you unlock the vehicle, and will automatically fold in when it is locked. Now the car does come equipped with smart access key system, so with the key in your pocket, just press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, place your hand behind the door handle to unlock. And again, the mirror will automatically unfold as soon as it detects the key in your pocket. And the car does come with self-close automatic door on all 4 doors. If you fail to close it, it will close for you. and it works really fast compared to other cars that I have seen. The exterior color is known as Caspian Black, featuring two-tone interior color, with ivory leather seats with black piping, black on the dash, black and ivory on the door panel, with aluminum trims and dark wood trims all around. Very nice color combinations. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, push the start button to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2015 Hyundai Equus have to offer. Under the hood is a 5-liter V8 GDI engine, 32-valve DOHC, rear-wheel drive, with an 8-speed automatic transmission with Shiftronic, offering 3 different driving modes: normal, sport, and snow mode. Electronic air suspension with damping control, pushing out 429 horsepower and 376 pound-feet of torque. Can hit from 0 to 60 in about 6 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 155 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 15 city, 23 highway, and 18 combined. Now let's shut it down and take it out for a short test drive, and we'll see how it performs and accelerate. Rear view camera and over the top camera to help with a much easier backup, with guidance line as well, and the line will move as you turn the wheel. So first impression of the ride is that it is in fact very smooth. Much smoother than the Genesis, but it is also much heavier. Now acceleration is not that impressive at first, but once you get it going, it is much better and more sensitive when pressing down on the gas pedal, especially when you're in sport mode. Now this car was not designed for performance handling like those sport cars where you can drive fast in the curvy road. It was designed for a luxury ride, and just cruising down the straight road or on the highway is where it best performs at. Very smooth and luxury ride. And here I would like to point out the amazing heads-up display that it offers. It projects very clear information directly onto the windshield, in which it displays vehicle speed, turn-by-turn navigation, lane departure warning, blind spot detection, and smart cruise control in real time, so you never have to take your eyes off the road. A very nice feature to have. And you can always turn it off if you prefer to. And here's a closer look at the driver's side door panel. It is ivory with black top sections with aluminum trims and dark wood trims on it. And all four windows are fully automatic. Side view mirror controlled, and it does offer folded option. There's the gas release button, Lexicon surround sound speaker. There's the storage compartment on the door panel. 2-position memory setting. Equus aluminum door sill. And there's the pedal. Equus badging on the floor mat as well. And here's a closer look at the seat. It is perforated and does offer heated and ventilated options. Driver's seat feature 12-way power adjustable seat, seat height, rake, seat back recline, and seat cushion adjustment are easily controlled from the upper door panel that memorize the preference of multiple drivers. The Equus also employs thermoelectric technology that controls the heating, cooling, and humidity of the seat surface for optimal comfort, and 10-way power adjustable for front passenger seat. The 4-spoke design steering wheel is wrapped in black leather with premium wood trims on top and bottom sections. Looks and feel really nice. Featuring multi-function control side by side for your convenience with control for audio, voice command, Bluetooth wireless telephone, as well as the most frequent used function in the vehicle. Steering wheel does feature heated options for those chilly days. Behind the wheel on the left, you have the light controlled and the turn signal light controlled. And here's the windshield wiper controlled. The Equus Ultimate features a driver LCD instrument cluster that offers its driver a massively brilliant 12.3-inch LCD instrument cluster that is impressive in its beauty and function. This is fully digital display changes screen color depending on the driving mode selected. Over here you have the driver's side air vent with beautiful wood trims and aluminum trims. Down here you have blind spot assist, park assist, traction on and off, and the instrument light controlled. And here's a closer look at the dash, and there's the heads-up display that I mentioned earlier. Very nice wood trims and aluminum trims on the dash. Now the Equus does come standard with Lexicon audio system that features 17 speakers. The Lexicon 7.1 discrete surround sound system includes a 13-channel digital amplifier that produces 598 watts of power that will deliver an audio experience that will blow your passenger away. Here is a look at the large multimedia screen. It is not touchscreen. And there you have the emergency hazard light, dual zone climate control for the front passengers, multimedia controlled, and there you have the storage compartment, USB and auxiliary input. Alright, here's the gear lever with the Equus logo on top, accented by aluminum accenting trims. Very nice. Just pull it down to get into reversed, and once you're in reverse, the backup camera and the over-the-top camera will appear on the screen, and side view mirror will tilt down to help with a much easier backup. And guidance line does move when you turn the wheel, and you can also choose between different angles of the camera to be displayed on the screen. Very nice safety features. Down again for drive, and over to the left for Shifttronic mode, and that's when you can push it up or down to change gear for a more aggressive ride. Alright, there you have your different driving mode. Alright, choosing between different mode will change the color on the screen. And here's the controller to the infotainment system.
With a chance to win $5,000. Turn terrible, horrible, no good, very bad days into very good nights.
Very nice surround sound. And the knob in the middle, you can move around to move around screen. You can press down to select, or you can also move it up, down, right, or left. And there you have the menu buttons. Home, phone, and back. Map, destination, and the blue link buttons right there. And down here you have the heated and ventilated seats options. There's the camera buttons and the suspension height. You can choose between high and normal. There's the rear sunshade. Alright, center storage compartment with two 12-volt power outlet. Glove box compartment. And you have the trunk lock. Alright, and here's a closer look at the seat. On top you have the light control, the room which is for every light, and the door light, on and off door light. One touch, open and close, moonroof. Now you can either tilt up the moonroof for ventilation, or you can slide out for an open air feeling. Sunglasses holder. And here's the rear view mirror. There you have the SOS buttons to use in case of an emergency, and the universal garage door opener. Sun visor mirror with a card holder. Alright, here's a look at the rear seat. Rear seats are really spacious and offer seating for 3 in the back. Rear seats does offer a 60/40 power reclining rear seat with multi-power adjustable options. Alright, located on the rear door panel, you have the control for the power adjustable rear seat. You can power up or down the headrest, including the power lumbar support. And like I mentioned before, rear seats does offer 60/40 power reclining rear seat with multi-power adjustable options. There you have the ashtray. Rear windows are fully automatic, and there you have the control for the rear window sunshade. Very convenient and nice feature. Lexicon speaker. Equus aluminum door sill for the back. Now let's jump into the rear seat and see how it feels in the back. But let me show you the look to the front cabin first. Very spacious cabin, and here's the look to the top. And here's the bottom with dual air vent. Now rear seats are really spacious and offer plenty of leg rooms. I'm 5'8" and have plenty of leg rooms left. And in the back it features 2 large LCD screens that you can display the navigation system or watch your own video, DVDs. And you can also adjust the audio system and the entertainment system from the rear center console. On top you have the mirror, one on each side. And here's the light control for the back. There you have the hook. Now rear seat is really comfortable. It is very well padded. Now this is the rear seat, center console controlled. All of the comfort of a home media room are now in the rear seat. This is the ultimate package that feature offer control of the rear seat entertainment system and either of the two 9.2-inch LCD rear seat multimedia display screens. Rear seat passenger can also adjust the angle, positions, and temperature of the heat and cool rear seats, experience the power lumbar adjustment, even change the heating, air conditioning, or fresh airflow.
It's okay. The last thing
Very nice. Now at the bottom you have the relax buttons. Just hit the relax buttons and the front passenger seat will slide up and tilt down forward to give the maximum space for the rear seat. Now that's when you're going to be really comfortable in the back. Very nice luxurious feature. And just hit it again to bring it back to normal positions. Alright, on the center console you also have the storage compartment and dual 12-volt power outlet for the back. And here's the look to the rear sections. Feels really good in the back. Now let's pop the trunk as well as the gas cap. The gas cap is located on the driver's side. It does not require premium fuel, but you can use premium fuel for better performance and more gas mileage. And it holds approximately 20.3 gallons of fuel. Now the trunk in the 2015 Equus offers 16.7 cubic feet of cargo space, which is pretty decent for its class. Plenty of space for your groceries and luggage, or maybe one or two golf bags. Now let's see what we have under here. Here you have your tools. One touch close. Overall, the 2015 Hyundai Equus is a top-of-the-line vehicle for the Hyundai brand. It offers seating for 5 passengers. Rear seats are very spacious with tons of luxurious features for the rear passenger, with 37.7 inch of headroom, 38.8 legroom, 58 shoulder room, and 55.1 headroom, which is more than enough for anyone to be very comfortable in the back. The front cabins, however, are well crafted with high-end material, with great upholstery and premium wood trims throughout. Now let's jump into the front passenger seat and see how it is in the front. Very spacious in the front and very comfortable. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2015 Hyundai Equus. Now my last question to everyone is that, would you spend this kind of money for this type and brand of vehicle? Let me know in the comment section below. And for those of you that haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe for more future video review. And I'll see you guys next time.